Wait for the entry.
That's right. Yeah, those of you that are not in Tesla yet, this is a great opportunity to get into the longs here. Can you guys see it? This 363.26. There it goes. Did I or did I not say that? It's because I saw this is the channel right here.
Now, would that be a little triple top there?
It is. Yep, it is. 365.50 is what you're looking for to break now, right? SPY doing the same thing at the 610.24 mark that I just marked. That is its channel. I will not long SPY unless it can break that 610.25. But Tesla, you guys were able to scoop up at 363.26. Did you see why I said that, Steven?
Yes, sir. I see that.
And that was right here off of this channel line. And the beauty of that spot, Steven, is that the 21 was right below it. So if I got in right here, which is where I said the stop is right here. So I have a very small risk and a maximum size reward, right?
Absolutely.
Hey, coach, question.
Yes, go ahead.
That channel that you just put together there, is that just off the lower consolidation period?
It was. That was exactly what I based it off. Yep, the first consolidation point. And I had a backing of the 21, which gave me strength. Frank, go ahead. You got your hand up?
Good morning, Coach.
Good morning.
A quick question. You switch gears, beautiful, smooth. The question I have is, when did you know to go to that 5 minute and stay and put it in fifth gear like that?
You mean for Tesla?
Yes.
Yeah, just because once you guys get into a juicy trade, which it is, and it's staying and it's respecting the 9 the whole way, you don't want to be looking at it in the short term anymore. You want to start now looking at it like, I want to hold this a long time. Remember, anytime we go to long candles, the idea behind it is holding longer. So if I'm looking at a 1 minute and we're quick in and out, that means I'm looking at short time frame. So if I'm flipping it to a 5, 10, or a 15, I'm thinking long, right? Long term. It could be hours today on a 5 minute, right? Yep. And it's
So when it really starts to work your way, you switch to a 5 to take the pressure off your eyes.
That's correct. Because when you're looking at the 1 and it's constantly, you're like, right? Like a roller coaster ride.
Right. Thanks, Coach.
You got it, partner. Yeah, Tesla's still above that channel. Everybody see it? You're still good on Tesla. Nobody's sweating, right? Some people are like, yes, I am a little bit, Coach. Stop it.
I am.
Yeah, don't. You're all right. You know, the funny thing is while you guys are all panicking, all I see is Tesla's going to rocket new high. You guys want to know why?
Above this
Because
channel.
it's staying up so tall. It's staying so long, and because the way it's consolidating is still staying up extremely tall. This thing has never got heavy on the vine, not one time. Tells me this is extremely still bullish. And now you're about to get new high day. So while you guys are all panicking, I'm like, you guys are in the best position you could possibly be in, right? That's from living in the matrix for a long time. And eventually you too will get there. What is the trend of Tesla?
Up.
So what are you freaking out about?
Friend is your friend.
Yeah. Does anybody see Tesla getting heavy on the vine like this? Because I don't.
Nope.
All I see is a beautiful flag up here. Look, this is all I see. All I see is a winner flag. Winner, winner, chicken dinner flag. See it?
How much weight do you put on it? It's almost basically right at yesterday's high.
Well, that's why we would go. Well, no, it's way beyond yesterday's high. Way beyond yesterday's high. But you guys need to go back in time. I can't right now. I'm in an actual.
Yeah, 2 days. 2 days ago, I meant.
Gotcha. What is the high 2 days ago exactly to the penny? What is it?
365.
Oh, it's already past that. So you're good. There's your. Now, what did I say? Didn't I say this looks great? New high a day. Well, this is what I said. So while you guys are all freaking out and panicking on a consolidation, I'm like, this is great. You guys are set up. Enjoy the ride. Is anybody still in Tesla because you did not get all the way out? Oh, yeah. If you're in an EWO, you're going to make $1 million today. Results not guaranteed, legal. But if you're in a 2-minute EWO, it means you're really locked in and you're going to respect the rules. You are golden. You're going to shed when you're supposed to, and you're going to leave the last runner forever as long as it's above what?
VWAP.
VWAP. Yep. Good job.